Hi there, I'm Isa, and today we'll be testing the ReduxBuds, a pair of AI-powered true wireless headphones. You heard that right. These earbuds use artificial intelligence to bring you a safe and seamless listening experience. We are going to be covering that in depth in a few minutes while I test the AI myself. These earbuds may seem like your standard in-ear headphones, but they sound really fantastic. Built with 7mm graphene drivers, the range and clarity of the ReduxBuds is far more advanced than any earbuds like it. They've achieved something really special by using a nanotechnology to fit a studio quality speaker into a small, tiny earbud. The ReduxBuds have a 100-hour battery life, which you have to experience to believe it. They feature the wireless 5.0 technology, an engineered ergonomic fit that's exceptionally comfortable. So I was lucky enough to get a pair of ReduxBuds early for the testing. It's still in the pre-order phase and not yet available to the public. But you can pre-order on the Kickstarter page and you can get 50% off the retail price. So we have the earbuds, the charging case, the Type-C cable, and the 3 ergonomic tips to customize your fit. So the first thing you notice is how smaller these earbuds are. I'm a big fan of wireless headphones, and this feels much more smaller than most of the ones I have used. They even feel much more lighter and smaller than AirPods. I like the black color too. It's sleek, and I prefer dark colors because they don't get scuffy and dirty like white ones do. And it's actually quite light. It's more lighter than I expected for having such a powerful charger inside. This thing has a 90-hour charging power. That's really incredible. I don't think there's any earbuds on the market that even comes close to this. The best I've come across has half the charging capacity of the ReduxBuds. AirPods has 24 hours. Now, the earbuds themselves last 10 hours on a single charge, which is very remarkable when you consider that most of the earbuds last for 2 to 4 hours. Now, with a fully charged case and earbuds, you have an unprecedented 100 hours battery life. That means you can use your earbuds for 2 hours each day and not charge it for 6 weeks. That's really impressive, right? And I think people are going to talk about it once it becomes available to the public. So now if we take a closer look, we can see that both earbuds have a microphone. And that's a dual beamforming microphone that isolates your voice when you make calls. You'll also be able to hear your calls in stereo sound, which means you'll be able to hear the calls in both earbuds. Now it's time to try them on. These are inner ear earbuds, so they fit inside the ear canal. Wow, this feels comfortable. From the Kickstarter page, I heard these were ergonomically made to suit your all-day activities. How do I look? The fit is snug, but also weightless. I can feel them when I touch them, but when I take my hands, it feels like there's nothing there. That's so cool, right? You have to feel them. It's actually pure weightless comfort. You have to feel them. So you will notice the earbuds doesn't have buttons. That's because the ReduxBuds has a tap control. So you tap 1, 2, or 3 times to use your tap commands. So I'm going to show you how to use the tap commands by connecting my phone. So I connect to the Bluetooth. Then I try to play myself some music, okay? 2 taps, plays the music. 2 taps, pause the music. And tap and hold on the left decreases the volume, and tap and hold on the right increases the volume, okay? These actually are so cool, you know? You can tap to use your digital assistants like Google or Siri. From there, you can use your device like your phone with just voice command. You can send messages, make calls, or surf the internet hands-free. Hey Siri, what's the last food I ate? That's actually cool. Siri actually answered me. Now some music. Just the moment I've been waiting for. It's so easy with the Bluetooth 5.0 because you can connect your device at any time with no lag. It's great for movies, music, and Netflix. Just the perfect wireless connection. Okay, got my tunes. That's quality sound. The 7mm drivers makes a huge difference. Bigger drivers means better sound. ReduxBuds have 40% bigger drivers than any in-ear earbuds. Wow, that's strong bass. I like the sound of this bass. So I'm going to leave the music on a low volume while we test the ANC and the AI-powered transparency modes. So I'm going to cancel active noise cancellation by tapping and whoa, that's incredible. The outside world just went silent, bro. Now I'm going to tap again to enter the transparency mode. That's the artificial intelligence powered noise cancellation I was talking about before. The mics on the earbuds can recognize over 6,000 different sounds, and they will let certain sounds pass through, like sirens, alarms, nearby traffic, and voices that are directed at you. Now, the mic will listen to your surrounding and the music you are listening to. It will pinpoint the sound waves to cancel. The ANC automatically adjusts. It gets higher when the noise around you is louder. And it also gets lower when the sound is all silent to save your battery life. Okay, so let's go to AI transparency mode. Here we are, still silent. Say something, like talk to me.
Hey, what's music I listen?
Whoa, I can actually hear you. I can hear the sound of your voice perfectly and the music too. I don't even have to pause. I can hear both at the same time. That's actually nice, you know? These things feels and hears like a dream. It feels like I'm in my own universe. I can't wait to use these outside when I'm jogging, running, or cycling. ReduxBuds makes you aware of your surroundings. These really work. You guys need to try these out. They sound very fantastic, and the artificial intelligence is a game changer. Click on the link below for their Kickstarter campaign and get 50% off. Trust me, I just took them off and I still feel safe, okay? Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm going to continue enjoying my ReduxBuds and see you next time.